Hello everyone, welcome back to
A jolt and then you'll die.
today's video. Let's explore the types of birds' nest ferns or MANAW and how to care for them. Let us watch this.
Bird's nest fern is a common name applied to several related species of epiphytic ferns in the genus Asplenium. They grow in a tight, nest-like clump with a lingulate leaf rosette and are usually epiphytic, growing in trees. Species known as bird's nest fern include A. nidus or bird's nest fern, A. australasicum, grouse nest fern, A. antiquum, A. serratum, or wild bird's nest fern. Let us talk about these plants and how to care for them in this video. Asplenium antiquum is a fern of the group known as bird's nest ferns. In Japanese, it is known by ō-tani-watari and ō-tani-watari. The fern is native to temperate East Asia in China, Japan, Korea, and Taiwan on cliffs, dark forests, and tree trunks. Asplenium antiquum is an evergreen fern, 2 to 3 feet. It has bright green, arching blades with a pointed end and a strong midrib. Asplenium antiquum can readily be distinguished from the closely related Asplenium nidus by its fronds of uniform red. It requires high humidity and bright indirect light. It needs regular watering and can do with minimal soil or similar to an orchid. The soil should always be humid but not soaking wet. Caring for bird's nest fern. Avoid watering the center of the plant or the rosette because it acts as a cradle and can cause the plant to rot. Water it 1 to 2 times a week. Test the moisture level by sticking a finger and pinch to the soil. Give the plant plenty of humidity by occasionally misting the fronds with a water bottle. Remove dead or brown fronds from the base of the fern. There you go. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, and click the notification bell so you will be updated with my new videos. Let's take a look at my bird's nest fern plant. Stay tuned.
and then you'll die.